Hey guys, so as mentioned, I have another unboxing. It's also a Jordan. I think a Jordan 1 mid. They are great schools, but they are decent sizes, like for women or for small boys. There's a few of the same shoe, so I'm only going to do an unboxing of one. Box looks actually a bit beat up here. It actually looks like a bit like water damage. Oh wow. It's also our recyclable boxes. Just gonna grab the middle one. It's very cool, your design here. Not sure what SSO, maybe sneaker school. Jordan color 23. In case you don't know what anything was called on the shoe, there's your 1 to 18. Now you know. Even the paper is the same. Out quarter, collar up, foxing. So I guess you could buy these and then do it yourself. Personally, I would just wear them as they are. Not sure if you got to see a sneak peek there, but here we. Oh wow, this also surprised me. Okay, so this is also not a leather shoe. It's high gloss vamp. It's toe area, mud guard. It's the swoosh. There's no extra layer on the swoosh. There's an extra layer here though. Foxing, stay collar. You can feel the printed on overlay, and well, the sock area is a bit dirty, but it's super soft. I don't think it's actually been worn as well. I think it's just a bit dirt. Maybe the person who was making it or packed it had a bit dirty hands and didn't bother to wash. Yeah. I wonder if that's also a mistake. But it's also a really clean shoe. So I guess this will be the inside of the person's foot, so that's why there's nothing on that side. Just like similarly, this would be the inside of your left foot, so there's nothing on the inside. Obviously you guys know the traction. Yeah, toe area, mud guard, foxing console. Yeah, so let me know, what do you guys think? Would you paint it and go crazy with the deco, or do you just walk around with it like this? Personally, I think I'll probably just wear it like this. I do wish though that they had given a second pair of laces on these ones, which they haven't. Maybe like a rainbow funky color, or at least black. I think that would have looked better. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Just out of interest, I would like to measure. So a mid, there you have it. It's about 13 centimeters high. Not obviously at the highest point. The highest point would be about 14. But I mean, that's only at the front. At the back it is about 13. Whereas a high is about 14 and a half, or maybe 15. So it's not much of a difference. Yeah, between a high and a mid. Yes, that's why people are switching to mids. It's basically you can get about 2 mids for the price of 1 high. But a high is a status symbol, so yeah. Let's pack this away. I hope you guys like this video. And if I do actually have these painted, I will do another video on that, because I think that would look very cool. Alright, cool. There we go. Until next time.